Hey, what's up guys? Ted here with Dirty Habit Offroad, and here we have for sale a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This is a Sport S model. This is the JLU model. As you can see, in 2018 it was a split year, so you had some JKs and some JLs. The JL is the newer body style, and this is the newer body style JL. Best thing about it, has only 43,000 original miles. Super clean Jeep. All the upgrades and modifications have been done here in-house at Dirty Habit Offroad, and I'll go through all those later in the video. But again, 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport 43K. This has a 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 automatic transmission. Has all your power options: power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Has 2 key fobs. This has a 2.5-inch lift. It's a spacer lift, so it still rides just like factory. Super smooth. Has Quadratec front and rear bumpers, brand new winch on the front. Has the Nerf bar side steps, 33-inch BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. Those are, in my opinion, the best tires out there. The KO2s, like new tread. I mean, honestly, probably about 85–90% tread. Winch bumper up front. You have your D-rings, 9,500-pound electric winch, synthetic rope. These are Baja higher sitting fender flares. I mean, honestly, with the 2.5-inch lift in those, you could fit 37-inch tires. Right now it has the 33-inch tires. So if you were to purchase this vehicle, you wanted to go up to 35s or 37s, we could absolutely do that for you. The winch is brand new. These were installed for a customer probably about a year ago. And only thing that I've done since we've purchased this vehicle was throw on the winch. It's got an inspection, but everything else is super clean, good to go. Again, all your tires, tons of meat still left on those tires. Rear bumper, we have this bracket for your license plate with the LED light. We also have installed this drop down table, so when you're out there on the beach or you're camping, you have a spot to put all your stuff. Little table, cup holders, bottle opener. I'll have some interior pictures and everything, but you do have all of your factory floor mats, and you have all your WeatherTech floor mats. So you have your WeatherTech rear cargo liner, and your front and first and second row seats have the WeatherTech mats. Body's in great shape. Couple little spots where you have the typical little bubbling of the paint on your hinges. Couple little spots on the door here or there, but overall paint and body's in great condition. Interior is in great shape, and again, your WeatherTech floor liners are in. As you can see, you have the factory hardtop with your removable Freedom panels. You can remove these, and we have the bag to store them in as well, so they don't get damaged. We do have 2 key fobs for this Jeep. $43,627 original miles, clean title, no issues at all. We'll draw back to the shop. If you have any questions, give me a call. My name is Ted, Dirty Habit Offroad. The office line is 252-491-4900. You can call or text my cell at 804-852-4907. Or you can stop by Dirty Habit Offroad and Check it out. No lights on the dash. Just a straight up clean vehicle. Four-wheel drive works as it should. Everything operates just exactly as it should. Again, 252-491-4900 or my cell at 804-852-4907.